This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by settling posture and releasing tension. This lowers accommodative demand so unfocusing is possible. Once relaxed, blink slowly to reset tear film and avoid strain. Now pick a distant, low-contrast target or plain wall about 3 to 6 meters away. This reduces detail that pulls your focus. You will hold steady breathing and let your gaze loosen. Do not force it. Keep movements minimal and allow your eyes to drift outward from pinpoint focus. You now deepen the process by changing what your brain attends to. Instead of edges or text, sense overall light, color fields, and vague shapes. Once you do that, let your eye muscles relax further by imagining you are looking through the scene rather than at it, which reduces convergence and accommodation. Maintain this soft gaze for 20 to 30 seconds, then briefly refocus to reset. Repeat 3 to 5 cycles, breathing slowly the whole time so the relaxation becomes steady rather than fluttery. You finish by bringing attention back slowly. Look at a near object for 5 to 10 seconds, then alternate once more with the relaxed, distant gaze to reintegrate focus control. Make sure you do not rush. Sudden refocusing can feel unpleasant. If you experience dizziness, double vision, or persistent discomfort, stop and rest. See a professional if it continues. If your eyes resist unfocusing, lower contrast or step farther back from the scene to make details less demanding and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.